All right, here is page 27 of the Remote Learning Math Packet. Use the words in the box and label the figures correctly. So here we have this figure. It has an endpoint there and an endpoint there. So it doesn't go on in either direction forever. So it has a clear beginning, a clear end. So that would be a line segment. All right, here number 2. It's got a clear beginning and it goes on, and the arrow indicates that it goes on forever and ever. So think of that as like this is like the sun, okay? And this is like a ray of light shooting off of the sun. So that is a ray, right? And this is just obviously, it's a line. That's the only one left. It is straight, there's no curvature to it, 180 degrees, and it goes on in each direction infinitely long. Number 4, use the words in the box to label the figures correctly. So here we have 2 lines, okay, they're lines that go on forever, and they are intersecting each other, but they're intersecting each other at a 90-degree angle in every intersecting line, every interior angle is a 90-degree angle. So this would be perpendicular lines. Okay, so those are perpendicular. Okay, so here we have 2 lines that are the same distance apart, so they will never intersect, they will never touch each other. So these are called parallel lines. Okay, and one way to help me remember the parallel lines, because sometimes kids get perpendicular and parallel confused. If you look, we have these 2 L's right there in the middle of parallel. And look, those 2 L's are parallel to each other. Okay, they keep an equal distance and should never intersect. All right, so by process of elimination, we should know that number 6 is intersecting. All right, they cross each other, okay, but they don't form the 90-degree angle like perpendicular lines do. All right, so now for number 7, if you look here, this angle, it's 90 degrees, okay? That's what that little box in the corner means. It means it's 90 degrees. So that is a right angle. Okay, a right angle is a 90-degree angle. Now, these other 2, acute and obtuse, they kind of are compared to 90-degree angles. This one, like if it was a 90-degree angle, it would be about there, but it is greater than 90 degrees. So it is obtuse. So an obtuse angle is an angle greater than 90 degrees. So if that was a right angle, it would be about there. So this is smaller or less than 90 degrees, and it is an acute angle. So an acute angle is an angle that is less than 90 degrees. And one way that many people help remember that is cute. If something is small, you're like, oh, how cute is that? Okay, so the one that is less than 90 degrees is an acute angle, and hopefully that helps.